Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is March 6th, 2025, and we're diving into Wiley's third quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Wiley, a leader in research and learning, has just released their Q3 2025 results, and there's a lot to unpack, from revenue shifts to strategic initiatives in AI and research growth.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Wiley reported a net revenue of $405 million for Q3 2025, down from $461 million last year. However, adjusted revenue grew by 1.2% at constant currency. John, can you explain this contrast?
Absolutely. The decline in reported revenue is primarily due to foregone revenue from divested businesses. However, when we exclude these divestitures, Wiley's core operations show a modest growth, driven by their research segment, which grew by 5.2% at constant currency. This indicates a strong underlying performance.
And what about profitability?
Wiley's operating income saw a significant turnaround, reaching $52 million compared to a loss of $46 million in the previous year. Their adjusted EPS also rose by 39% to 84 cents, reflecting improved operational efficiencies and a lower effective tax rate.
Research and AI licensing growth. Wiley's research segment seems to be a major growth driver. Can you tell us more about this?
Indeed, the research segment reported $268 million in revenue, up 5% at constant currency. This growth is largely fueled by open access, solutions, and AI licensing. Wiley has executed significant agreements in India and Brazil, expanding access to thousands of institutions, which is a testament to their strategic focus on recurring revenue models.
How is AI licensing contributing to their growth?
AI licensing is becoming increasingly important for Wiley. Their authoritative content and data-driven insights are highly sought after for AI model development. This quarter, they expanded a content licensing project valued at $9 million, underscoring the demand for their offerings in the AI space.
Learning segment and corporate expenses. Moving on to the learning segment, it seems there was a decline in revenue. What's the story there?
The learning segment reported $137 million in revenue, a 6% decline. This was impacted by a $6 million licensing renewal in the prior year and softness in the academic sector. However, their adjusted EBITDA margin improved slightly to 35.4%, indicating better cost management.
And how are they managing corporate expenses?
Corporate expenses declined by $3 million due to lower depreciation and amortization. However, on an adjusted basis, expenses rose due to strategic initiatives, including enterprise modernization and cost re-engineering efforts. These are crucial for long-term efficiency gains.
Future outlook and strategic initiatives. Looking ahead, Wiley has reaffirmed its fiscal 2025 outlook. What are the key expectations?
Wiley is confident in achieving mid to high-end growth targets for fiscal 2025. They expect a 3% revenue growth with adjusted EBITDA margin at the high end of 23 to 24%. Free cash flow is reaffirmed at $125 million, reflecting their strong cash generation capabilities.
What strategic initiatives are they focusing on?
Wiley is focusing on expanding their research and AI licensing capabilities, which are key growth areas. They're also investing in cost re-engineering and enterprise modernization to enhance operational efficiency and profitability.
Key takeaways. In summary, Wiley's Q3 2025 results highlight a strong performance in their core research segment and strategic focus on AI licensing. Despite a decline in reported revenue due to divestitures, their adjusted metrics show resilience and growth. John, any final thoughts?
Wiley's strategic initiatives and focus on high-growth areas like AI licensing position them well for future success. Their reaffirmed outlook and improved profitability metrics make them an attractive prospect for investors.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Wiley's performance in the comments below.